Good morning, students. Today also we are going to discuss about some different models in trigonometric ratios. Okay, students. The first one is cos square theta by A equals to sin square theta by B. Then sin power 4 theta by B plus cos power 4 theta by A. Dear students, now how to write this one, students? Now this is the students B by A. All of you listen, students. We can write this is the B by A equals to, simply we can write the students sin square theta by cos square theta is the B by A. Sin square theta by cos square theta is the B by A. Therefore, students, we have to know that the sin square theta by cos square theta is the tan square theta. The tan square theta is the B by A. Okay, students. Now we got the tan square theta value is the B by A. Right now, students, now we find the value of cos power 4 theta by A plus sin power 4 theta by B. Okay, students, how to find this one? Dear students, now here we are taking, suppose the common factor is the cos power 4 theta. How to write the students here? 1 by A. Okay, students, now we are taking 1 by B sin power 4 theta by cos power 4 theta. Okay, students, when you can multiple with these two, we got cos power 4 theta by A. This is also, students, cos power 4 cancel. Dear students, now this can be written as secant power 4 theta 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is the, students, tan power 4 theta. Tan power 4 theta d theta. Now here, students, we can written as this is, how to write this one? Secant square theta whole square 1 by A, students, plus 1 by B. This can be written as the, students, tan square theta whole square. Okay, student, tan square whole square. But tan square we know that, students, B by A. Now this is the, students, the denominator can be written as secant square theta is the form 1 plus tan square theta whole square. 1 plus secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta whole square. Okay, students, now this is the, students, the 1 by A. What, students? 1 by A plus 1 by B. The tan square theta is nothing but B by A. What, student? This is B by A whole square, that is B square by A square. Okay, students, B by A whole square is the B square by A square. Now, students, we can written as 1 plus, this is the value B by A. Tan square theta is the value B by A is there whole square. Dear students, we can written as 1 by A plus, students, B by A square. Right now, students, we can written as this is A is the LCM. Now sending to the numerator, A square by A plus B whole square. Now this is the, students, we have to take the LCM is the A square. A one time cancel, we got A square cancel B. Okay, students, now this is A square cancel, one time A plus B cancel. Now the remaining is 1 upon A plus B is the value of cos power 4 theta by A plus sin power 4 theta by B. Okay, students, write down 1 upon A plus B. Dear students, the one more question is A into sin square theta plus B cos square theta. B cos square theta equals to C. Then the value of tan square theta. Okay, students, then the value of tan square theta. Dear students, now we find the value of tan square theta. Okay students, here given that the solution of a into sin square theta, b into cos square theta equals to c. Now divided by cos on both sides. Now this is the students a into sin square theta by cos square theta. Now this is the b, c by cos square theta. Okay students, in the first step we have to take only the divided by cos square theta. Dear students, a into the sin square theta by cos square theta is the tan square theta, plus b into, dear students, c into reciprocal of cos is secant square theta. Dear students, a into tan square theta plus b, what is the formula of secant square theta? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore the secant square theta is the 1 plus tan square theta. Dear students, now this is a into tan square theta plus b equals to c into 1 c. This is the c tan square theta. Dear students, now we are taking the common factor is tan square. This is the a minus c into tan square theta equals to c minus b. Therefore the tan square theta equals to c minus b upon a minus c. You understand how to find this one? The plus c, sending other side minus c. A minus c into tan square equals to c minus b. This is tan square theta equals to c minus b by a minus c. Okay students, my dear students, here the sin power 4 theta by a plus cos power 4 theta by b is given by 1 by a plus b. Now we have to find sin power 8 theta by a cube, cos power 8 theta by b cube. Okay students, now students we can written as sin power 4 theta by a. The next one students, 1 by b into the cos power 4 we can written as cos square whole square 1 by a plus b is there. Dear students, now this is sin power 4 theta by a. Cos square theta is the students 1 minus sin square theta whole square by b equals to 1 upon a plus b. What students? The cos square theta we can written as 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Dear students, now this is we can written as, how to write this is sin power 4 theta. Okay students, sin power 4 theta. Now this can be written as b into this one b. Now a into what students? Here we got 1 a minus b whole square, a square b square minus 2ab. Okay, the LCM is sending to the other side, ab by a plus b. What students? ab by a plus b. Dear students, we got here the a plus b into sin power 4 theta. What students? A plus b into sin power 4 theta. Now student, this is minus of 2a sin square theta. Okay students, now this is plus a equals to ab by a plus b. Dear students, the denominator is sending to the other side, it will becomes the a plus b whole square sine power 4 theta minus 2 into a plus b into a sine square theta. What, students? Therefore a into a square, a into b, ab equals to ab. How to write the student? The a plus b sending to the other side, a plus b whole square minus 2a into a plus b sine square theta, a into a square, ab cancel, plus ab sending other side minus ab, it will comes 0. This is, students, how to write this one? A plus b into sine square theta. Okay, students, minus a whole square equal to 0. Dear students, this is, we have to compare with a minus b whole square. A square is this one, minus 2ab plus b square is the a square. Dear students, now how to write this one? A plus b into sine square theta. A plus b into sine square theta minus a square is sending other side, root 0 is the 0. This is the, students, a plus b into sine square theta equals to a. Sine square theta equals to a by a plus b. Okay, students, sine square theta is the a by a plus b. Now, students, how to find the cos square theta? Cos square theta is the 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus of a by a plus b. Here the LCM is the, students, a plus b. Plus a minus a cancel. Now this is the b by a plus b. Dear students, right now we have to find the value of, what value, students? What value we find? That is sine power 8 theta by a cube cos power 8 theta by b cube 1 by a cube. How to write the, students? That can be, you can write sine square theta whole power 4. 1 by b cube we can written as cos square theta whole power 4. Dear students, sine square whole power 4, 2 4 are 8. Here also 2 4 are 8. Dear students, 1 by a cube sine square theta. The sine square theta is this one. How to write the, students? Sine square whole power 4. This is a power 4 by a plus b whole power 4. 1 by b cube cos square theta whole power 4 is b power 4 by a plus b whole power 4. How to write the, students? Here 3 times a cancel. Now we got, students, a by a plus b whole power 4. This is, we can write, students, the a by, how to write this one? A by a plus b whole power 4. Okay, students. Now the 3 times b cancel. Now this is, you can write b by a plus b whole power 4. This is the, students, the denominators are equal. We are taking the LCM is a plus b whole power 4. Therefore, students, we can write a plus b whole power 4. Now this is the, students, 1 upon a plus b whole cube. This is our required solution. Is it clear, students? Now the sine square theta is nothing but a by a plus b. That means whole power 4 is there. A power 4 by a plus b whole power 4. 3 times cancel. What is the remaining, students? A by a plus b whole power 4 is there. B by a plus b whole power 4. Now the LCM is a plus b whole power 4. That is the 1 upon a plus b whole cube. Okay, students? Dear students, the value of 2 sine square 91 degrees, 2 sine square 92 degrees minus 1, 2 sine square 180 degrees minus 1. How to find the, student, this value? 1 minute, students, 91, 92 and so on, 180 is there. So, dear students, When it is the before coefficient is the 2, suppose the students, we are all find, suppose in between 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and so on, between is there, one of the value students, 2 into sine square 135 degrees minus 1. This is the students 2 into sine square, we can written as 90 plus 45 minus 1. Dear students, the sine of 90 plus theta is the cos theta. What students? Cos theta. Therefore students, we can written as cos square 45. Dear student, the 90, when the angle 90, we can written as cos square 45 degrees minus 1. What is the students cos 45? The cos 45 is the 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. Now dear students, square and root cancel. 2 by 2 is the 1. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Dear students, one of the value is the 0. In this case, we have to find the only one of the value between these all products. Okay students, we have to know that between is 0 is 0. Between one value of the between is 0. That means students, the product into 0, that means entire value is the 0. Yes or no students? This is the sum, we have to get some value, this is some value, this is some value, but in between is 0 is there. 0 into some value, the product of some value into 0, undoubtedly students it will be the 0. Since if the value of this entire question, the entire value of this one is 0. Since the 2 sine square 135 minus 1 value is the 0 students, that's why the product of this value into 0 is the 0. Okay students, simply you can write 0. My dear students, if sine theta and cos theta are the roots of the equation px square plus qx plus r equal to 0 students, then the value of what students? Then the value of q square minus p square equal to, how to find this value? Okay students, what is given the condition is the students, sine theta and cos theta are the roots of px square plus qx plus r. First you can find the sum of the roots students. Alpha plus beta is the students minus of b by a, that is minus of q by p. Okay students, product of the roots c by a, alpha into beta, that is the students sine theta into cos theta, b by a is the r by p. Dear students, in the first step we was taken as sum of the roots and product of the roots. The sum of the roots is the students minus of b by a, that is minus q by p. Product of the roots is the r by p. Okay students, now squaring on both sides, a square plus b square, sine square theta plus cos square theta is the 1. Okay students, now this is sine square theta, yes, sine square theta students, cos square theta, 2ab, 2 sine theta into cos theta upon q square by p square. This is the students a square b square 2ab. Sine square theta plus cos square theta value is the 1 students. Now this is the 2 into sine theta into cos theta is the students r by p. Now this is q square by p square. Now dear students, now we find q square minus p square. This p square is sending to the other side. This is the students p square. 2p into r, pr, one time p cancel. Now this is the q square. This is sending to the other side students. The q square minus p square is the 2pr. What students? Q square minus p square is the 2pr. Write down students. Now we find the value of cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos of 4 pi by 7, cos 5 pi by 7, cos of 6 pi by 7. Final one is the cos of 7 pi by 7. How to find the students this value? 1 minute students. I am requesting you all, just you can observe how to find this solution. Dear students, if a plus b equal to pi means 180 degrees. If the a plus b sum of the any angles is 180 degrees, what I taken is a plus b is the 180 degrees. Dear students, the b equals to pi minus a. Now, right now I find cos a. I will find out a cos a plus cos b. Dear students, the cos of a plus cos of b is the pi minus of a. Now this is the students cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. What we got students? Cos a minus cos a cancel. When the sum of the angles is 180 degrees, if the sum of the angles are supplementary, that means 180 degrees, then cos a plus cos b, b is the 180 minus a, lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Okay students, cos a minus cos a is the 0. Okay, right now here we can observe this is the directly 7 cancel, this is the pi. Dear students, this is 6 pi, this is the pi. Pi plus 6 pi. Okay students, a plus b 180, 6 pi plus pi. So dear students, we can write pi by 7 cos of 6 pi by 7. Okay students, here this is the a, this is the b. Sum of these two angles 7 pi by 7 is the pi. Now the students, the second one is cos of 2 pi by 7, and the students the cos of 5 pi by 7. 2 pi plus 5 pi 7 pi. Dear students, the cos of 3 pi by 7, cos of 5 pi by what students? Here also cos of 3 and 4. Okay students, 3 plus 4 7. The last one is there students, cos pi. How to write the student? Just now I prove that when the sum of the angles 180 degrees, whose sum is 0. Here also this is pi plus 6 pi, 7 pi by 7 is the pi. This is 0. This is also 0. This bracket will also 0. The cos pi is the minus 1. What is the students? Cos pi is the minus 1. If you don't know, directly you can write 180 is the 90 plus 90. Dear students, please remember this value. We can use many times. The cos pi is the minus 1. Cos 0 1. Cos pi minus 1. Cos 2 pi plus 1. Cos 3 pi minus 1. Dear students, cos of odd multiple of pi is minus 1. Cos of even multiple of pi is 1. But sin n pi is the 0. Sin 0, 0. Sin pi equal to sin 2 pi equal to sin 3 pi equal to sin 4 pi equal to, each term is equal to 0. Therefore students, how can you write this is? In second quadrant cos is 90 plus theta. In second quadrant cos is negative. Now this is the students minus sin 90. Therefore this is the minus 1. Okay student, the cos of 180 is the minus 1. Write down students. My dear students, the cos square of 125 minus x minus cos square of 55 degrees plus x. Before that, dear students, yesterday I explained one question. The regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. Yes or no students? One student asked me. So here this is the students A0. This is the A1. The center of the circle is the O. Dear students, yesterday I forget. I did not write the regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. Okay, students, I was written only the regular hexagon inscribed in a circle of radius 1 unit is also given that, students. In the question, what is given that? The regular hexagon A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 is inscribed in a circle. That is only I was written. Inscribed in a circle of radius is 1 unit. This is the 1 unit. So that is the one student raised this question. Why you did take 1, sir? So the one I read it, but I did not write in the question only. So okay, students, here when the radius is the 1, students, already I explained the side subtend an angle at the center is, how to write the, students? The side subtend an angle at the center. Dear students, that is, how to write that one? 360 by the number of sides of hexagon is the 6, that is the 6. When you can understand, students, these two are equal angles. This is a 60, undoubtedly these are also 60. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, students, the A0, A1 is the undoubtedly 1. After you can, how to find the A2, students? Just you can draw the card of the circle. We have to know that any line segment drawn from center to the card, it is a perpendicular bisector of the card. This is the nothing but perpendicular bisector. Dear students, it will be take some x. What, student? It will be take some x. Now this is the, students, you can take an as. This will be the, how to write the, student? This is the 60. This is also 60. Okay, students. Then you can write the, students, sine 60. Sine of 60, that is opposite side by 1. Dear students, this is the root of 3 by 2 equal to x. Root 3, what the, students? 2x. This is the, students, A0, A2 is the root 3. Similarly, A0, A4 also root 3. This is also root 3. Now we have to find the product of those segments A0, A1 and A0, A2 and A0, A4. Dear student, this is 1, this is root 3, this is root 3. Root 3 our required answer. Okay, students, I forget only in the question I did not write what that one, students. The regular hexagon A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 inscribed in a circle of radius 1. Okay, students. Right now, students, how to find this one? Just now I explained. If the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Dear students, if A plus B 180 degrees, cos square A minus cos square B. How to find this, students? The cos square A minus cos square B. The B is nothing but 180 minus A. What, students? The B is the nothing but 180 minus A. Dear students, this is the cos square A. Cos of 180 minus theta, students. Cos of 180 minus theta, cos theta. Minus of cos theta minus square will be the plus. If the power is a even, you can don't think about the sign. Only we have to think about it is a 90 angle or 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta 180 plus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta, students, minus cos theta minus square is the plus. This is also when the degree 180 we can written as cos square A. Dear students, we got 0. When the sum of the angles, if the sum of the angle is 180 degrees, you can write cos square A minus cos square B. Undoubtedly 0. Dear students, here we are taking A plus B. A is the taken 180 minus x plus B is the taken, students, what this one? 55 degrees plus x. Okay, these are cancelled, students. 125 plus 55. This is the students 180. The sum of the angles a plus b equal to 180 degrees. Dear students, when the sum is 180, then you can write directly the cos square a minus of cos square b is the 0. What, students? If the sum is 180, we can write directly the cos square a minus cos square b is the 0. Okay, students? Dear students, e power 1 plus sin square x sin power 4x and so on infinity into log 2 is there. Equal to also is given that 16. How to find the tan square of x? Okay, students, how to find the tan square of x? Here we can observe the students. This is the infinite GP. We have to know that infinite GP is the a by 1 minus r. A is the students 1. R is the sine square of x. Yes or no, students? 1 into sine square x. Sine square x into sine square sine power 4. Sine power 4 into sine square sine power 6. Dear students, this is the 1 by cos square of x. We can write the reciprocal of cos is secant square x. Okay, students? Now we can write the student, this is e power log 2 power secant square x equals to 16. How to write the students? We have to know that log a power m, log of a power m is the m log a. Therefore, log of 2 power secant square x is secant square x into log 2. Okay, students? Is there base e? Is nothing but base e. Here we have to know that, students, e power and base e are the cancel. We got only the 2 power. This is the properties of the logarithms. The base e and e power, these e, both e's are cancelled. Now we got only the 2 power secant square x. This is the students 2 power 4. This implies when the bases are equal, now we are equating the powers. Therefore, students, we got secant square x equal to 2. Secant square x is the 2. Okay, students, we have to know that. What, students? The secant square x is the formula. What is the form? Secant square x minus a tan square. What is the formula, students? Secant square x minus a tan square x equals to 1. Therefore, students, the secant square x is the 1 plus tan square x. Secant, dear students, here the secant square x is, don't write the 2. Secant square x is the 4, students. Secant x is the only 2. Okay, students, we have to know that secant square x is the 1 plus tan square of x. Everybody know that secant square theta, students, minus tan square theta 1. Therefore, secant square x is the form 1 plus tan square of x. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. This will be sending other side, students. We can write 1 plus tan square of x equal to 4. This is the, students, the tan square of x equal to 3. What, students? The tan square x is the 4 minus 1 is the 3. Okay, students, write down. The tan square x is nothing but 4 minus 1 is the 3. Dear students, suppose x is given by a into, what, students? X is given by a into secant power n theta, y equals to b into tan power n theta. Then the, students, the x by a whole power 2 by n minus y by b whole power 2 by n. Directly you can write written as the, students, 1. Or we have to take any substitution also instead of theta. Dear student, this can be written as x by a secant power n theta. The n is also sending other side 1 by n. This is the, students, secant theta. dear students, into b is the y by b, power and sending other side 1 by n. This is the students secant theta, tan theta values. These two are substitute in that, students, when we are taking x by a whole power 1 by n whole square. This is nothing but secant square theta. How to write the student? This is y by b. What, students? Y by b whole power 1 by n whole square. Y by b whole power 1 by n whole square. That is the students tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta value is the students 1. Okay, students, what you got? Secant square minus tan square will be the 1. Okay. Dear students, A is tan 1, B is tan 2, C is tan 3. Okay, students, then the descending order of the ABC. Dear students, descending order of ABC means, students, so ascending means increasing order, descending means decreasing order, students. Already I explained, students, 1 radian equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes 24 seconds. Therefore, dear students, suppose 1 is approximately, we have to take only the degrees, 57 degrees 16 minutes 24 1 is the, we know that, students, 1 radian equal to 57 degrees and 16 minutes 24 seconds. You can forget the minutes and seconds. Then another one is the, students, 2 into 54. This is the, student, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 114 degrees. C is the, students, tan of 3 into 57. What, students? 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, that is 171. My dear students, just I can observe the graph in between. What is going on in between? Suppose this is the, students, minus 90, this is the 90. Dear students, we have to know that, students, this is the 3 pi by 2. So what happens, students? Sin 90, tan 0 0, tan 45 is the 1. This is the, students, this is happening. So, dear students, my observation 57, this is the 45, students. The 57 is must be this value. When we are taking the 1, students, undoubtedly that is the value. So, dear students, now we are focused about the remaining values are there, students, 117 and 117, 114. So, dear students, this is the pi. What, students? When we are taking the 90 plus 90 pi, after that, students, 90 plus pi by 2 is the 3 pi by 2. This is the 3 pi by 2. What, student? This value? 3 pi by 2. How to write the, students? So, everybody know that, students, the tan pi, undoubtedly, dear students, what my observation is, the tan pi is 0. Now this is the, students, the tan pi is the 0. Now, students, now we have to find what is the value. So tan 117. So 117, dear students, approximately 117, tan pi is the 0, students. So these are all in negative. So my observation is, this is the, students, 171, this value. This value is the 171. Dear students, the another one is the, students, 114. Undoubtedly, this is the 100. 114 is the, student, this one. This is. So, dear students, we can observe the maximum value is the this one. The minimum value this one. This is the, students, 114. This is the, students, 57. 57 is nothing but A. 57 is the A. So 117 is the students B, 117 is the C. Now the descending order means students big value to the small value. What is the big value students here? The big is the students. What is the big value is the A. The another big value is the C. The last least value is this is B. The descending order is the students A, C, B. The descending order is the students first A, next C, next one B. This is the decreasing order. Okay students, this is nothing but A, C, B are the descending order. From the graph, the big value 57 is the A. Another big value next 171. This is the C. Okay students. Now this is the graph of tan x. Write down students. Now another question students. A, B, C. If A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle, A, B, C are the angles of a triangle ABC. Dear students, what is given that A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle ABC, and A is an, what is students given that A is an obtuse dear students, then so when one angle is undoubtedly obtuse, suppose if you taken 120 or 110, the remaining sum must be less than 90. Therefore, dear students, what is the given that in the question? A is an obtuse. What students? A is an obtuse. The remaining angles are the B plus B must be less than 90 degrees. What student? B plus C must be less than 90 degrees. Therefore, B equals to B less than, dear students, 90 minus C. Now we can apply the students, we can apply tan on both sides. The tan B less than tan of 90 minus C. Dear students, tan B less than 90 minus theta is the cot theta. Okay students, A is the obtuse, B plus C 90 plus C corresponding other side 90 minus C, tan B equal to tan of 90 minus C. Tan 90 minus is the cot C. Dear students, the tan of B, okay, less than 1 by tan C. Now the cross multiplication students, we got this is tan B tan C less than 1. Tan B into tan C, dear students, we got less than 1. Tan B into tan C is the less than 1. Okay students, this is the tan B into tan C. Yes students, another question, A secant theta plus B tan theta equals to C. A secant theta plus B tan theta equal to C. Dear students, then what is the value of A tan theta B secant theta whole square? Okay students, this is the question. A tan theta plus B secant theta whole square. Dear students, first we take this is A secant theta plus B tan theta, what is given that C. That will say that equation 1. Dear students, A tan theta, this is B secant theta equal to take what students? K. Now 1 square, dear students, minus 2 square. What is the students here? This is the A plus B whole square. A square B square 2AB. This is also A square B square 2AB. After subtraction 2AB cancel. A square is the common, students. This is secant square theta minus tan square theta. Here also, students, minus b square is the common, secant square theta minus b square secant square. This is minus b square is the common. Then it will be the tan square theta. Now c square minus k square. This is the, student, c square minus k square. Now a square, this is the b square equal to c square minus k square. Now the minus k square is sending other side, plus k square equals to, students, a square minus a square minus b square is the, students, plus b square is there, c square minus k square is the plus k square. This is minus a square plus b square. This is the plus c square. We take the, students, this is whole square is there. Now what is we taken is k. The k is the, students, a tan theta, yes, b secant theta. Dear students, k square is there. A tan theta plus b secant theta whole square equal to, students, minus a square plus b square plus c square. This is the value, students, minus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, students, what is the value? Minus a square plus b square plus c square. Write down, students. Such as one. If, students, sin x, sin square x, sin cube x, what, student, is given that 1. Okay, students, then we have to find the value of cos power 6x. Cos power 6x minus 4, dear students, cos power 6x minus 4 cos power 4x plus 8 cos square x equal to cos power 6x. Okay, students, minus 4 cos power 4x plus 8 cos square x. Then, students, in the first and last term is there common sin x. This is the 1. The sin square x. Now this is the, student, sending to the other side, 1 minus sin square x. Okay, students. Now this is how to write the, students, sin x. The sin square x is the form. What is the, student? Sin square x is the 1 minus of cos square x. 1 minus sin square x is the, students, we have to know that cos square x. Now, students, squaring on both sides. What, students? Squaring on both sides. This is the, students, sin square of x. This is the, students, 2 minus cos square of x whole square. This is the, students, cos power 4x. So, students, this can be written as sin square x is the, students, 1 minus cos square x 4 plus cos power 4x minus 2ab. Minus 2ab is the 4 cos square x equal to cos power 4x. Dear students, now first we have to multiply with 1. That is the 4. We can first multiply with 1, students. 4 cos power 4x minus 4 cos square x. This is the, students, minus of 4 cos square x minus cos power 6x 2 plus 4. Now this is the, students, plus 4 cos power 4x. This is the, students, 4 cos power 4x equals to cos power 4x. Dear student, this will be sending other side, cancel. Now, students, here the cos power 6x is sending other side, plus cos power 6x minus 4 cos square x. Dear students, the plus 4 cos power 4x is sending other side, minus 4 cos power 4x. Dear student, minus 4 minus 8 is sending other side plus 8 cos square x. What is the remaining, students? Only 4 is the remaining. What, students, remaining? Only 4. This is the numerical value. Cos power 6x minus 4 cos power 4x plus 8 cos square x is the 4. Write down, students. Dear students, if sin beta is the GM between sin alpha and cos alpha. Sin beta is the GM between sin alpha and cos alpha. Then the value of, students, cos alpha minus sin alpha whole square minus 2 cos square beta is equals to, okay, students, how to find this, students? Solution. The sin beta, dear students, the sin of beta is the geometrical mean of sin alpha into cos alpha. What, students? The sin beta is the under root of sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin beta is the root of sin alpha into cos alpha. Okay, students? Now, when you are squaring on both sides, this is the, students, sin square beta equals to sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, students? Now, how to write this one? Dear students, we can written as 1 minus cos square beta is the sin alpha cos alpha. Now, students, this is sending to the other side. 1 minus sin alpha cos alpha equal to cos square beta. This is the value. Now, students, we have to find this one. A square cos square alpha b square sin square alpha minus 2ab sin alpha into cos alpha minus 2 into, dear students, the value of cos square beta already we find. That is 1 minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Dear student, this is the 1. Yes. Minus of 2 sin alpha cos alpha. This is the minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Sin alpha into cos alpha. These two are cancelled, students. The 1 minus 2 is the minus 1. 1 minus 2 is the minus 1. Dear students, we got 1 minus 2. What is the 1 minus 2? Minus 1. Okay, students. This is the value of cos alpha minus sin alpha whole square minus 2 cos square beta. Okay, students. Okay, students. Please practice the sums. This is today. Okay, students. Thank you all.